so this is my home in Morocco. This is where I was placed by my program. And you guys, it is a beautiful, beautiful house. It was built actually, no, it was designed by my host mom actually. And okay, so this is our new dog, our new puppy, Lucky. And he is very jumpy, so might get a little crazy in a moment. Bear with me. Ghalia, hurry! Hurry! Come inside! I literally have to run inside every time. I have to run inside every time I come home because he's so crazy. But this is our door.
Hi everybody, this is my home and this is the... Sorry, I don't speak very good English. This is l'entrée. It's a beautiful home, it's my home. This is the toilet. Wait. This This is the kitchen. Wait. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge. It's a beautiful fridge. The food. I like the food. This is a little place. It's not very good, but here's the TV. It's a very beautiful place. This is the swimming pool. It's a beautiful, it's a terrace swimming pool. This is the salle à manger. And this is my family. This is my dad, Mehdi. This is my mom.
Hello.
This is my my aunt. This is my uncle and my cousin. Her little bint.
His daughter.
Yeah. This is the jardin, the place when you do anything. This is the swimming pool, the big swimming pool.
So we're coming back in. We're coming back into the house. And now we are going into the living room area. So this, oh, here, look at how cute little Rita was. Look at how cute. Look at them over there.
This is me and my sister.
This is Ghalia and Rita. Oh, this is for my host parents' wedding. Look how cute. Hot mama and hot papa.
This is my
Aunt?
Yes.
Aunt.
Elle ressemble à toi.
That's her aunt. Oh, that looks like me. Oh my god. She came for my first Ramadan dinner and she was so cute. She was so sweet. She was literally like, at first she was like, you call them mom and dad? Because I call my host dad Baba and my host mom Mama. She was like, you cannot call me mom. And then before the end of the dinner, she was like, okay, now you can call me mom because you're so cool. I'm like, stop. Okay, and then this is like their little tonton
Yes.
collection, which is actually pretty cool. I learned about this
All
comic
the book.
book, I guess?
It's all the book.
Okay.
The 1, the 2, the 3, the
Follow me. So as you guys can see, the table is already set because we are already preparing for dinner. It is in like an hour or maybe less. 10 minutes. 10 minutes? 10 minutes. Oh, I gotta hurry up. So now we're going upstairs. Follow.
Okay.
So I love these stairs also. They're so cute.
You can see my living room.
Ooh, okay, show them this art because I love the art here. Wait. First thing we're gonna see is my little sister's rooms.
Me and Rita.
Oui. This is their beds. That's Ghalia's station.
It's very
messy.
Yeah. I don't finish the visit. It's clear. This is the other salon. This is place. This table is here. But my dad say it's beautiful here. It's Ramadan and a lot of person come here in the house, and it's good. Bye. Hello. This is my room where my sister and my cousin I don't know, they play. This is the room of my parents. This is clear. This is the steh in Arabic. This is the room of my sister, but Dariani and Kendall
My roommate?
take this place.
Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I look so funny.
This is the other toilet. It's not clear. This is clear. This is the big baignoire. I don't know. Bathroom. Yeah, I know. It's same toilets. You can see this. Diane encouraged me a lot. I'm not done. I'll have first étage. Three étage. Yeah. And this is not very beautiful. I think it's not very good. This is the place where my family and me, he put her basket and other. This is the place when you
One eternity later.
I don't know what is the name, but you'll see it's machine à laver in French. I don't know what is in English. Now I see you the stuff. It's a very good place, beautiful and blah 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 blah. It's not very clear, but in the morning it's very beautiful. You can see the pool here, and I'm done. Thank you very much, and subscribe please for Dariani, not for me. I don't have very big problem. That is my sister, and I love Dariani. Please subscribe for Dariani and subscribe for me. I love you. Bye bye.